And we can add space after the paragraphs. So I'm going to click and drag just in some of the text, and then do Command A or Control A to select all the text. And now we're going to make a change in the paragraph styles. We're going to add some space after. So this time I'm going to move over here to the right and go to the paragraph panel. And once again we see the two tiny little arrows next to the word paragraph, and we click on those, we can close and open the paragraph style until we can reveal the paragraph panel until we can reveal the entire panel. And with all the text highlighted, we're going to come down here to the space after paragraph icon. We'll click on that, and we're going to add 5 points, space after paragraphs. So I'll just type in 5 there, and then hit the Tab key, and then come back over here to the artboard, and I see now we've added 5 points extra space after each paragraph. Now, once again, we can change the paragraph alignment. We can go up to the control panel, but these alignments are also available in the paragraph panel over here. So in the paragraph panel, we can choose Align Center, and on the artboard we see that the type has been centered. Or we can choose Align Right, and see that all the paragraphs have been aligned to the right. The following alignment option is the Justify with last line aligned left. So now the type is both flush left and flush right. We can do the same thing and center the last line, or make the last line align to the right for each paragraph. And then finally, the final alignment is Justify all lines, and of course we don't want that because it adds lots of word space and letter spacing in order to force all the lines to be both flush left and flush right. So let's go back to flush left. We'll go to the very first alignment icon in the paragraph panel. Okay, and now all our type is flush left. We're going to go ahead and just highlight the word breathe, and we're going to make breathe a subhead. So we'll highlight the word breathe there, and come over here to the character panel, and let's change it to Minion Pro Bold. So we'll do that, change it to bold. And then we're going to go up to the swatches panel, and we'll go ahead and color that subhead mustard. There we go. Now what we'd like to do is save that paragraph style, the subhead for the word breathe. We'd like to save it as a paragraph style, and then apply that style to the other subheads. So all we have to do is first style the subhead, which we did, and then come over here to the Paragraph Styles panel and save it as a style. So we're going to go to the Paragraph Styles panel menu, and we're going to choose New Paragraph Style. And I'm going to give it a name. I'm going to call it 001 subhead. And I often name paragraph styles because, with a number, I start with a number in the paragraph styles because they'll be listed in order by those numbers instead of alphabetically, the way each subhead or other style starts. So the name of each paragraph style. So now they'll just be ordered by number, and we click OK, and I look over here in the Paragraph Styles panel, and sure enough, the style has been added to the Paragraph Styles panel 001 subhead. Now, in order to style the other subheads, I'm going to first of all select one. So I'm going to come over here, and with the Type tool I'm going to click and drag and select the word stretch, which is the next subhead. And before I apply the style, I'm going to strip away the styles that have been already applied. And so in paragraph styles, that means holding down the Option key or the Alt key and clicking on Normal Paragraph Style. Now that'll strip away whatever style was there. And now I'm going to click on the Character Styles panel and hold down the Option key or the Alt key and click on Normal Character Style. Okay, and that strips away any character styles that might have been there. But I'll go back now to the Paragraph Styles panel and click on 001 subhead. And now, if I come back over here to the Type, and let's deselect, I see now that that subhead style has been applied. And I'm going to do that to each of the other two. So first I'll highlight the word workout. Then I'm going to come over to the paragraph styles panel, option click on normal, and then go to the character styles, option click or alt click on normal character, go back to the paragraph styles, and then click on 001 subhead. Now for sure I've got that subhead styled, and I'm going to use a different technique this time to style the final one, the final subhead. I'm going to click and drag and select relax, the word relax, but instead of going to the paragraph styles panel, this time I'm just going to use the eyedropper, because the eyedropper will pick up a style from one of these other subheads and drop it off on this subhead. So I'll go get the eyedropper, click on the eyedropper tool, and then go up and click on the word workout, and the style is picked up from the word workout and dropped off on the word relax. So I'll just go back and get my black arrow, the selection tool, and then go into the select menu to deselect, and you can see that all the subheads have now been styled.